Hello everyone, this is Uncle. I'm back here for another video, and today I'm going to show you how to eat a shoe. So the first thing you gotta do is open your mouth. See the mouth right there? Want to see them? Yeah. Yeah. And see the shoe? Pretend this shoe is my breakfast, right? This shoe is my lunch. Now let's see how I'm wearing it. Let's see. Oh, I might take it out for a walk, but then I felt like eating it, so I decided to. Hold on. Sorry, my dad. Sorry, my dad. That's my sister. Anyways, see the shoe? What if I just eat it? Here, I'll show you. Um, 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 ah, ah, mm, 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 Nice. It's how you eat a shoe.